It's a new semester of school and maybe you're feeling overwhelmed, exhausted, or you're on the verge of giving up. I got you. Today, I'll be giving you some tips on how you can cope with burnout as a student because I have been there and trust me, it was hectic. So, I want to be able to help you have a healthier balance in your student life. So I'll be going over what is student burnout, what causes burnout, and how you can overcome or cope with burnout. So what is student burnout? Now this is the result of long periods of school related stress, and it is caused by either having too much academic workload, not getting enough sleep, poor time management, poor eating habits, and yes, your eating habits can result in experiencing burnout, and not having enough physical exercise or movement. Now, these are just a few causes because everyone has a different style and their environments are different, so the causes might vary. So, how do you cope with burnout as a student? Number one, recognizing burnout. Now, burnout is not just about feeling tired or lazy. It's a state of emotional and physical exhaustion. You might not feel motivated to attend school, or you have trouble focusing on your schoolwork. You might be detached from the world, or you might experience fatigue. Take note on when you start feeling and experiencing these signs. Number two, self-reflection. Now think about what in your life is contributing to you experiencing burnout. Is it too much schoolwork? Is it that you have unrealistic expectations? Now this is something that I can relate to because I've always had unrealistic expectations, always putting extra pressure on myself and trying to reach expectations that didn't even exist. Now, do you have poor time management? Because when you identify what is causing your burnout, you can work on finding the right solutions. Number three, time management. Now, one of the major reasons why students experience burnout is because they have poor time management. You need to create a schedule or a timetable and break your task into smaller pieces and place them into that schedule or timetable. Include breaks within your schedule and time for you to relax. But it is important to set aside specific time for specific tasks. Number four, prioritize self-care. Now, when I was in high school, sometimes I would spend hours in my books and forget to even eat something. Now, this had a negative impact on my body and my mind. It's easy to neglect self-care when you're studying or when you're buried in the books. But self-care is important. Get enough sleep, eat the right and healthy meals, and get enough movement in your day. Take care of both your physical and your mental health because it is very important when it comes to coping with burnout. Number five, seek support. Now, it's okay to ask for help from your family, your friends, or even a counselor. Talk to them about what you're going through and what you're experiencing. Sometimes when you share your feelings, you feel relieved, and the advice of others can help a lot. Number six, breaks and recreation. Taking breaks is very necessary. Step away from your desk for 5 to 10 minutes. Go for a walk or do something that you love. Recreation helps with recharging your mind and preventing burnout. Coping with burnout as a student is a process that requires self-awareness. By following these steps, you can be more in control of your health and well-being and work towards a balanced student life. Thanks for watching. Make sure to comment which step stood out most to you. If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, share, and subscribe for more content like this. And I will see you in the next video.